We'll guide you through how to get OptiFine 1.21.4 with shaders. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can go and completely enhance the game. And with OptiFine, OptiFine will go and optimize the game as well, so they're a great combination to go and have. Let's guide you through this step by step. First of all, let's come and quit out of Minecraft like so. To go and get started, we need to go and open up a web browser, and you can come to Google or another search engine. And what we're going to do is go and type in OptiFine like so, and you want to come to optifine.net. Go to the top and you can click on downloads, and here it is, Minecraft 1.21.4. Click on show all versions if you're trying to go and find it, and then we can go and press download. When you do that, you're going to be brought to an ad wall here. Just be aware here is an ad. If you see a download button, it's for the ad. To go and get the download, you need to press skip in the top right, and then you're brought to a download page, which we can go and click on, and it's now downloaded. Now, what we can do is go and install it. But before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, which you can go and check out. They've got many awesome features as well, like one-click install mod packs, making it super easy to play with them, instant setup, and then you've got 24/7 servers and support as well, so you can get help anytime you need it with your server. To continue with the guide, we now need to go and get some shaders. So what we can do is go and type in CurseForge. It's a great site for getting shaders and other mods from, and come to curseforge.com. Then we can select Minecraft and click on Browse All. You want to come over to the left here and we can go and select Shaders, and then we can come down and choose the game version and select 1.21.4. Now you can see the different shaders here. We can go and choose a pack. For example, I could get the BSL shaders. I'll tap here and we can then go and click on Files. Now we can go and choose the game version, which we want to be 1.21.4. So we can press the three dots to the right and press download file. We've now downloaded what we're going to need. So what we can then do is come into our downloads. I'll go and open up my file explorer. You can see we've got OptiFine and then BSL. So first of all, double click on OptiFine and the installer should open. If it doesn't, what you may need is Java. So what you want to do is come back to your web browser and you can head to java.com. You can press on download Java for desktops and you can then press download Java. Download it and install it just like any other program. Return to OptiFine and right click on it, hover over open with, and you want to go and select Java and select choose another app, and you want to go and then select Java and press always, and then it's going to go and run. You can go and press install like so, and you may think nothing's happening and you should then get the pop-up saying it was installed. Now, if it still doesn't work as well, you may need to do something called a jar fix, and that links jar and Java files together again. So try doing that, and that will hopefully go and solve the problem and you can run it. So now we need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Go to the left of the play button and you can select the version and make sure OptiFine is selected. And you can then go and press play and it's going to go and start. It's now loaded, so now we can go and get into a world. Here we are. Now you can go and pause the game by pressing escape. Click options and then video settings, and you want to go and click on shaders. You'll go and see I've got some other packs here as I've gone and used them before, but yours will probably be empty. Click on shaders folder and the folder will open. Now come to the bottom of your computer and hover over the file explorer, click downloads, and then what we can do is go and drag in BSL like so, and it'll then go and appear in the list here. What you can do is go and click it like so, and it'll then go and reload. And so now we've got OptiFine and shaders together.